This is the instructions on how to install DMR relay, damper motor, interlock relay, and power supply. First step, mount T10 transformer. This is a 75 VA transformer. The power, this looks complex, it's really not. The power gets piggybacked with the main transformer. See, two of these wires are for main transformer, two of these wires are for T10. The power from T10 comes here. The common is grounded, and the other ground wire comes up and goes to your 101 terminal. The power supply from the transformer comes here through a 2 amp fuse, out of the 2 amp fuse, and over to our DMR relay. This is our normally open contact. And when this contact closes, the power comes out and goes over here to terminal 100. Now, as far as our trigger comes from, you're gonna have to install a terminal here, and this is terminal 36.9. 36.9 comes up and ties here on the relay, DMR 24 volt hot for the coil. It picks up the common. This is our ground, DMR ground. That comes down here and goes to TB 1-8. 1-8, that's a common for the relay. This setup also has a terminal 98 and 99. And that's an interlock with the fan motors. That's just a series of wires that comes down and breaks the CPR1 relay. After it comes out of the condensate pump alarm relay, if you have one, you'll just cut the wire, and I'm not gonna do it here, but you'll just cut the wire. It comes out right here. You'll cut this, drop that right there, and just one in and one out, and that'll prevent the motors from starting in the event that the motor didn't turn or something like that. There is a diagram that comes with it, but the diagram is incorrect. This power wire should go to 36.7. I'm sorry, 36.9. It shows it coming here paralleled with your fan interlock, but on EC fans you cannot do that. With EC fans you have to go to that 36.9 output. Once you have all that connected, you're gonna go in. I'm gonna show you on a unit that we already did. You're gonna go in to the setup, and this is the key part of the situation, because that Q15 is not configured. So you're gonna unlock your unit, service, options, setup. Scroll down, Q15 settings. And you have to change this. It comes default as none. You have to change it to damper without quick start, right? And you can increase your damper delay up to 120 seconds. This one here takes about 45 seconds to open. 30 was good for us. And you have to change it here. If you don't, it won't work. So hopefully that helps in the situation.